Aries, 6th November 2024. Love, balance and empathy are key in relationships today. Avoid jumping to conclusions as emotions may feel heightened. For coupled Aries, create a safe space to talk openly with your partner, focusing on understanding rather than immediate solutions. Single Aries, today is a wonderful opportunity for self-care. Reflect on what qualities you'd like to attract in a partner and what you may want to work on within yourself. Career, collaboration is the theme today, Aries. Working closely with a team or bouncing ideas off colleagues will bring better results than going solo. Allow yourself to learn from others, as their perspectives may enhance your own ideas. Listen carefully, as someone might offer insight that could be valuable for your current projects. Overall well-being, a cluttered mind may need a moment to reset. Dedicate time to meditation, deep breathing, or journaling to regain clarity. Mental peace will translate into productivity. Advice: embrace patience and empathy in both relationships and work. Slowing down will reveal what truly matters, and you will find yourself connecting with others in meaningful ways. Taurus, 6th November 2024. Love, today may bring up emotions that need addressing. If in a relationship, have an honest conversation to clarify any recent misunderstandings. Single Taurus, use this day to reflect on past relationships and let go of any lingering attachments. This clearing will help open the door to new love. Career, your focus today should be on cooperation and teamwork. By being a supportive and collaborative team member, you'll foster goodwill and mutual respect among colleagues. If there's a project that requires group input, take a leadership role to help organize everyone's efforts effectively. Overall well-being, emotional balance is key today. Meditation, journaling, or a relaxing hobby will help you process any heavy feelings and bring peace to your mind. Advice: embrace vulnerability and authenticity. Open communication in relationships and work will foster deeper connections and trust. Gemini, 6th November 2024. Love, romance feels fun and spontaneous today. Whether single or in a relationship, consider planning a playful date or a casual meetup that allows for light-hearted connection. New encounters are likely to bring excitement, so be open to meeting someone unexpected. Career, creativity flows naturally, and it's a great day for brainstorming. If you've been stuck on a project, let yourself explore unconventional ideas. Colleagues will appreciate your innovative approach, making it a perfect day to share fresh concepts. Overall well-being, a creative outlet will energize you. Channeling your ideas into something expressive will feel both productive and rejuvenating. Advice: embrace your unique ideas and share them confidently. Playfulness and creativity will keep your spirits high and your mind engaged. Cancer, 6th November 2024. Love, there may be a need for compromise in your relationship today. Avoid being overly sensitive and focus on constructive communication. Single Cancers might experience an unexpected connection if they stay open to new perspectives. Career, you might encounter a challenge that requires resilience. Use your natural intuition to find solutions, as trusting your instincts will lead you to the right answers. Overall well-being, emotions may feel intense, so take time for self-care. A calming activity like meditation or journaling can help process any strong feelings. Advice: stay grounded and don't let minor conflicts derail you. Your intuition will guide you through any obstacles that arise. Leo, 6th November 2024. Love. Today, you may feel inspired to bring more romance into your life. Plan a special date with your partner, or if single, treat yourself to something indulgent. This is a day for enjoying the finer things and embracing joy in little moments. Career. Your creativity is heightened, making it a great day for brainstorming and ideation. Use this inspiration to add unique touches to your work. Others will notice and appreciate your ability to think outside the box. Overall well-being. Indulge in self-care and pampering. Activities like a spa visit or a cozy evening with a good book can help balance your energy. Advice. Allow yourself to enjoy life's small pleasures. Incorporate creativity and beauty into your day, both at work and in your personal life. Virgo, 6th November 2024. Love. Your natural sense of curiosity is highlighted, and it may lead you to explore new ways to connect with your partner or attract potential partners. Embrace this adventurous spirit and try something new together. Career. Creativity is your strength today. Take a fresh look at your work and see where you can innovate or improve processes. Your ideas could bring lasting value. Overall well-being. Take time to indulge in a creative hobby like painting or writing. This will provide a refreshing mental break. Advice. Let curiosity guide you. Step outside your routine to explore new ideas and connections that can add depth to your day. Libra, 6th November 2024. Love. Creativity in love is your strength today. Surprise your partner with a small, thoughtful gesture, or if single, explore new ways to meet people, such as joining a hobby group or class. Career. You may find a creative solution to a problem that has been lingering. Trust in your ability to think outside the box, and don't hesitate to share your ideas with others. Overall well-being. Give yourself time for a creative outlet. Engaging in activities that stimulate your imagination, like art or writing, will refresh your mind. Advice. Embrace creativity in all aspects of your life. Fresh perspectives will offer solutions and lift your mood. Scorpio, 6th November 2024. Love. Your sensual side is heightened today, bringing a powerful connection to your partner. Plan a cozy, intimate evening to deepen your bond. Single Scorpios may find themselves drawn to someone mysterious and intriguing. Career. Creativity is at a peak today, so tackle projects that allow you to think outside the box. A creative solution to a lingering issue may surprise even you. Overall well-being. Channel excess energy into a creative pursuit or hobby. This will keep you fulfilled and prevent potential frustration. Advice. Embrace your creative side and express yourself fully. Allow your unique perspective to guide your actions in both work and love. Sagittarius, 6th November 2024. Love. A playful mood defines your romantic life today. Engage in fun activities with your partner to reignite the spark. For singles, a light-hearted interaction might lead to an exciting new connection. Career. You may receive recognition for your hard work. This is a good day to share your accomplishments with others, as they will be appreciated. Embrace any opportunities for advancement that come your way. Overall well-being. Enjoy the little pleasures in life. Indulging in your favorite hobbies or interests will lift your spirits. Advice: keep things light and fun in your personal and professional relationships. A sense of humor will help you navigate any challenges. Capricorn, 6th November 2024. Love, today is about strengthening bonds. Spend quality time with your partner, sharing your thoughts and aspirations. For those who are single, your grounded nature will attract potential partners looking for stability. Career, your leadership skills shine today. Don't hesitate to take charge of a project or offer to help a colleague. Your proactive approach will be noticed, leading to potential new opportunities. Overall well-being, seek balance in your emotional and mental health. Journaling or talking with a trusted friend about your feelings can provide clarity and peace of mind. Advice: lead with confidence and don't be afraid to step into a role of responsibility. Your efforts will not go unnoticed. Aquarius, 6th November 2024. Love, emotional depth is highlighted today. You may find yourself discussing significant topics with your partner that strengthen your bond. If you are single, consider reaching out to friends for social gatherings where you could meet new people. Career, stay focused on your goals, as you might encounter some distractions at work. Establishing a clear plan will help you navigate your tasks efficiently. Use your innovative thinking to find solutions to any challenges that arise. Overall well-being, focus on your mental health today. Journaling or talking through your thoughts with a trusted friend can provide clarity. Advice: stay grounded amidst distractions. Clear communication with your team can help maintain focus and productivity. Pisces, 6th November 2024. Love, romantic feelings may deepen today, leading to meaningful conversations with your partner. This is a perfect time to explore shared goals and dreams. For singles, focus on activities that excite you. You might just meet someone special while pursuing your interests. Career, you might feel inspired to start a new project or take a different approach to your work. This surge of creativity can lead to breakthroughs, so don't hesitate to share your innovative ideas with your team. Overall well-being, connect with your spiritual side today. Whether through journaling or engaging in creative pursuits, expressing yourself can bring a sense of fulfillment. Advice: embrace your artistic nature. It can lead to new opportunities in both your personal and professional life.